This channel is getting millions of views and generating thousands of dollars per month. Here's another channel getting millions of views and generating thousands of dollars. Let's play a video from this channel.
When a person considers and analyzes the functions of the brain is analyzing itself. As far as the human brain is concerned, it is the only thing on planet Earth to have the ability to become self-aware of its own and to understand what separates human from all other species. Why?
As you saw, this video is made up of joining stock footage and a voiceover. There is a mistake in it. He did not add captions. We will add the captions also. The complete process is totally free but leaves a watermark on the video. Don't worry, we will remove it also. First of all, open ChatGPT and ask him to generate a script. I used a simple prompt, but the story is really good. Copy the whole story. Open this website and click on Create New Project. Choose Script to Video. Paste the script that we generated before. In the language section, there is also Hindi language, but I am selecting English. Choose a voice and choose a caption style. Now hit Generate Video from Script.
A few moments later.
The video is generated. You can edit everything in it. You can edit the script, subtitles, text, and can also add more stock videos and images.
In a small, quiet town.
Now I am adjusting this clip. Now click on Export Project and export it. Now the video is ready but has a watermark. To remove the watermark, open this website that's link is given in the description. Upload the video. Select the logo part. Click on Save. The watermark is removed.